Are you in the diaspora and you're looking for a house here in Owerri? This 4 bedroom fully detached duplex is in the heart of Owerri. You all know that Aladinma is one of the peaceful and loving environments where you would like to train your children. If you want to buy this duplex, we are selling it for 180 million naira. This duplex is 2 minutes drive to IMSU, 5 minutes drive to Government House, 7 minutes drive to Relief Market, and 5 minutes drive to Douglas. Come, let me show you around. Follow me.
I feel no make everything alright. But if there's anything I can do, I saw be do, I'm with my mind. All of me, jaw, don't be shy. You know you see my internal.